This is the chicken one peeps. Come like a curry chicken. Fully active. What going now? Yeah man, in real life. From where I drive go to Portmore there. In Portmore town. You know what I mean? Yeah man, I want to go to them juicy beef. I want to go to the juicy beef but see me can get 2 patty or 3 patty, you know what I mean? I feel hungry and it's like, yo, I don't even know what I want. So spirit tell me, say, yo, a long time you know mash up 2 patty, you know what I mean? So go to juicy beef, you know, buy 2 patty and get 2 juice and go back up on my yard, go do some work, cause me up on my yard just do some clean up, you know what I mean? Yeah man, in real life, do some clean up yard man style, just go and chop some bush, you know? Them say, in one of the video, them say, yo, get a whipper. Yeah man, a whipper, you know, to be honest, we can more than get a whipper, but a whipper go cut off the head of the bad weed them, and I don't want that. I want everything to disappear. So what I have to do, I have to weed it up and I dig it up from the police dog that say, and I dig it up from the ground, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so that's that me I do. And then me feel hungry, so I say me I come out Portmore, I come get something to eat. So stay tuned, you know what I mean? Yeah man, reach a Portmore you know, KFC truck there. You see I've been whole heap of KFC chicken, you know what I mean? So you know, if you find the juice beef in a Portmore, if you are coming from Ochi side, you know you have to go across the bridge. Yeah man. So right now I'm going to go across the bridge. And then you have to make the right turn. And by going up, you know you drive through the little town, you always have a vendor them on the roadside that do them thing. Yeah man. Because money you have to make down. So you have clothes, you have food, you have fish, everything I sell on the roadside. When I say everything, I mean everything I sell on the roadside in a real life. Yeah man. All posters over there, so dance I sell on the roadside too, so you can buy a dance. Over there, so they have clothespin, they have bleach, shoes brush, shoes polish. So just a vibes going through the town. And after you go through that little town, you know, say, right up here up on the left, you are going to find juicy beef. And if you come from further up, like Trinity way, Highgate way, you know, say juicy beef, I go there. On the right, you know them way there, I'm going to pray about in the parking lot, you know. See the 2 car in the parking lot normally, you can park in it. You see the 2 car in it, so I just go catch up right somewhere off here, so. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm not for park here, so still, you know. In real life, I'm not for park here, so. Can't take a ticket. So now I find a better parking spot, then I go in a juicy beef. Buy what I buy and I'm gonna see what I go on. Park here, so Rasta Bridge, and I look on the car like myself, what park this and even know say me. You know what I mean? But I don't know, routine, come out of the car. As always, put on some cologne. Yeah man, cologne no stay pan. Dresser in a house, cologne stay in a car. So the car always sweet and me always sweet. Holy patties. How me man? Yeah man, now who apart there? Yeah man, I'm going to juicy beef. So there is some mechanic work. Yeah man, what kind? And chicken, alright? Yeah man, now real life beefs. So I'm going to say I now go get up some patty. Boss, I want a chicken patty too. See, good old juicy beef. Yo, in a look ram door. Right. Run now. Yo, in a look ram up. But this is what a patty shop look like in Jamaica. Famous juicy beef. cheese, chicken, beef. So juicy beef, I get a free promo. Outside, man. Them are the type of flavor patty them have, you know. You see, so rich cashier, I don't know how much it all costs, so you make only know it costs. You know what I mean? But everything active. Still in our line. Order, you know. We can get a cocoa bread, 2 cheese, 2 chicken and 1 beef, and a country style box drinks.
That's it?
Yeah.
Alright, so we have 1 cocoa bread, 2 cheese, 1 beef, 2 chicken, 1 country style.
Yeah.
1,930.
1,930. I'm gonna get my paper. So I'm gonna wait for them to call my number. That's how we do it. When I order your patty, you get a paper and you just stand up by a counter and wait till your number call. You see it was
Pineapple or orange?
orange.
Orange juice?
Yeah. That's it. Active Jenna. Yeah, you get my patty and get orange juice and now orange juice I give Jenna around and so still is it free. But I say one I patty them so I bust in for one I patty them, no joke. See ya? Alright, yeah man, active. So I get everything I'm wire now, so you know, so I line up and do road. Carrot for days. Irish, pumpkin, everything there, man. General, I go and run it off. Yeah, man. In a real life. Yeah, man. Brawling fields. So if you forward a pork mara, come check him out. In the right side of juicy beef. We have some good cocoa. Yeah, man. Nice cocoa fields, cocoa that active. So do the right thing, come check out the vegetable man, all sides. Yo, I'm gonna get some water. I'm gonna get a Red Bull. active, you know. Yeah, man, reach up on my yard and now, so see them. Take out the patty them. With the cocoa bread. Yeah, you know, so this is what the cheese patty look like. Yeah, man. So them cheese patty peeps. So now you look. Yeah, you get cheese. And it come like a beef in a with the cheese. I don't know if I saw some cheese, but look on it. Yeah, looking good, me taste it. I would like to use this, you know. Yeah. Cheese patty. It's nice. The cheese patty. Nice. Chicken. So chicken. Excuse bully. Patty you want. Chicken. This is the chicken one, my peeps. Come like a curry chicken. Tastes like a curry chicken too. That nice. Cocoa bread is active. Cocoa bread active. You know this is the regular beef. Yeah, man. So the regular beef patty. This also nice too. Everything active. What's now with some Red Bull. Red Bull. Wow. Everything active. I was doing like a man. Nice. Just the right thing. Pay attention to your friend. Subscribe to the channel. You know what I mean? Catch you after now. I'm out.